Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you could store more brain rots in your base and steal a brain rot. So, as you can see here, in steal a brain rot you can only have 2 floors like this. But I'm going to show you how you could get more storage so you can store more brain rots. You're going to need an alt account, and you're also going to need this application. It's called I'll show you guys, multi game VR. Just search up exactly this and go to this one right here, and then download this right here. Once you download this, you're gonna want to open this application right here, multiple roblox.exe. Okay, but before you do that, before you open it, make sure you close everything. Make sure you close every single browser and everything, so you're on your home screen like this. Then you open multiple roblox.exe. Okay, and then go to another browser and join the game on both accounts. So I'll show you how to do that right here. You're gonna need 2 browsers for this. You cannot use the same browser. So go to 2 browsers. I'm gonna join the game first on my main account. Go to servers like this, press exclude full servers, and then go right here, press ascending. This is gonna make sure you have enough people in the game so your alt account can join. Scroll down a little bit and just join a random one. Let it open. Okay, next go to your other browser and then join yourself on your alt account like this. Okay, as you can see, I have 2 Robloxes here. I have 2 Robloxes, and what you could do now is you could just have your alt account. You could take your main account, and you could just, whenever you steal, like let's say I just steal this guy's brain rot, I could just take his brain rot, and if I don't have enough space in my base, I could just take it to I could just drop it off at my alt account's base right here. Like it's pretty simple. So yeah, let's say I steal this, I could just take my alt account and put it in my base. And yeah, it's pretty simple. I don't know why this guy's hitting me. This guy's pretty weird. But yeah, that's basically it for the video. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. I can't lie. Alright, bye.